Hello everyone, welcome back again to my video. In this section I'll talking about how can machine translation be used to improve research in English language and literature. Okay, before we start, let me tell you about what is machine translation. Machine translation is technology that uses computers to translate text from one language to another. Machine translation has improved significantly in recent years, and it is now being used in a variety of ways to improve research in English language and literature. One way that machine translation can improve research is by improving access to research papers and other resources. Many research papers are published in English, and machine translation can be used to translate these papers into other languages. This makes research more accessible to scholars, students, and other interested parties from around the world. For example, researchers in China can use machine translation to translate English language research papers into Chinese. This allows the researchers to stay up to date on the latest research in their file, even though they do not speak English fluently. While machine translation offers a number of benefits for researchers in language and literature, it is important to be aware of its challenges and limitations. Machine translation is not perfect, and it can sometimes make mistakes. It is important to carefully review all machine translation output to ensure that it is accurate and complete. Another challenge is that machine translation systems are trained on large datasets of text and code. These datasets may not be representative of the type of language that is used in English language and literature research. This can lead to machine translation system making mistakes when translating research papers and other resources. Despite this challenge, machine translation is a valuable tool for researchers in English language and literature. Machine translation can improve access to research, improve the quality of research, and accelerate research. Here are some specific examples of how machine translation is being used to improve research in English language and literature. Number 1 is a team of researchers at the University of Cambridge is using machine translation to translate research papers from English into Chinese. This is helping to improve access to research for scholars in China and other parts of the world where English is not primary language. Number 2 is a group of researchers at the University of Pennsylvania is using machine translation to identify and correct errors in research papers. This is helping to improve the quality of research writing and to make research more reliable. And the last is a researchers at the University of California Berkeley is using machine translation to translate research papers from English into her native language, Spanish. This is helping her to quickly understand the latest research in her field and to get started on her own research project more quickly. As machine translation technology continues to improve, it is likely to play an even greater role in improving research in English language and literature. Machine translation can help to make research more accessible, improve the quality of research, and accelerate research.
I'm super shy, but wait a minute while I make you